Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new Magic Strobes brake light flasher for Indian models on this 2017 Indian Springfield. Our Magic Strobes is a plug-and-play brake light flasher module and offers 9 different brake light flash or strobe patterns. This is one of our most popular products for quickly adding safety and visibility to your bike. To get started, remove the seat to access the 6-pin connector on the right-hand side of the bike. This is located closest to the rear fender. Unplug the male and female connector to allow your Magic Strobes to daisy chain into the factory harness. Locate a mounting location to secure the module under the seat and use the supplied tie wraps to secure any loose wires. Select your desired strobe or flash pattern by turning the dial. I'm going to set this one on pattern number 6, which is our most popular setting. This will give you 6 seconds of rapid strobe before going to solid. Once you have decided on a pattern, give the bike a quick check for proper operation and reinstall the seat. You can get more information about our Magic Strobes brake light flasher and confirm fitment for your bike by giving us a call, visiting our website, or your local Drag Specialties dealer.